How to create a histogram in Google Sheets. Histogram data requirements. You need one column of numerical data to create a histogram. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a histogram with one data column as follows. One column containing numerical data. Important: histogram will only accept data in a single column as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below, please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open sub-menu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Search for histogram. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name drop-down. Note: header row check box is checked because data contains header row. Select numeric column age. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Histogram is created successfully. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. Similarly, you can change the text off left label and footer label. Click on the Chart Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Bar section. You can set the color of bars. You can set the number of bins. Click on the Text section. You can set the prefix and postfix to numbers. Click on the Font Style section. You can set the font style off numbers. Click on the Axis Left Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Grid Lines section. You can show or hide grid lines. Similarly, you can show or hide grid lines for X-axis. Click on the Save button. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in Sheet. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.